Hello guys, welcome to FinLiterate again. Let's discuss our views on Nifty and Bank Nifty and a few important stocks which we have discussed yesterday or maybe a few days back. तो आज भी निफ्टी इट्स द सेम गैप डाउन खुला, वापस ऊपर गया और फिर it just closed a little bit below the day's high. So why is it happening again and again? I've given you reasons as to what's happening exactly. In the second half we see some moves, but today it was ideally because Nifty and Bank Nifty both were at a very crucial support. So what do I mean by that is that Nifty has a very crucial support at around 16,800. Today it made a low of around 16,840 and then took a U-turn and made a high of 17,150 and closed it around 17,100. So what's our view out here is that basically मैंने जो trend line पहले बनाया था, which I said trend line break हो गया है, I've just changed that trend line to make it look a little better and see if whether that 16,800 trend line holds or not, right? So जैसे कि मैं देख सकता हूँ कि trend line support है, but I'm not sure whether that's actually taking support because of the trend line or because of the horizontal support of 16,800. But nonetheless 16,800 is a very important support, and you have to make sure that Nifty doesn't break below 16,800. Anything below that leads to 16,700, but below that is the main pain. Anything below 16,800, 700 will give way to 16,400 to 350. So discussing today's move, what exactly happened is Nifty opened exactly near 16,800, made low of 16,840, and again took a couple of times support out there and started its upward journey. उसके बाद Nifty tried to sustain above 17,000 area and वहाँ पे भी एक breakout आया. सो एवरी टाइम क्या होता है इंट्राडे में, एक डे हाई ब्रेक होता है ना, जैसे यहाँ पे 1120 के आसपास एक डे हाई था एंड अगेन इट वेंट डाउन टू 16,900. अगेन वी सॉ अ ब्रेकआउट above the day's high and then we saw around 150 points move. So what we have to keep in mind now is 17,000 is right now a crucial support, 17,050, right? Anything below 17,050, which is this swing low, gives away to 16,800, 16,900 again. So keep in mind that this swing low is very important of 17,050. Anything taking support there can be taken as long for targets of around 17,150. अगर निफ्टी 17,150 के ऊपर जाता है, so we'll see 17,180 to 200 levels. That's what I see currently, and anything above 17,200 will lead to 17,250. So these are the levels. थोड़ा छोटा stop loss of around 17,050 का रख के, if you get anything out there and any reversal signals, go long for targets of 17,150, 180. Anything above that can lead to 17,250. So that's my view on Nifty. Coming to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is, I'm saying every day, relatively very easier right now. 36,900 crucial support, ये मेरा horizontal resistance support line और resistance line बना रहता है. And Nifty, Bank Nifty anywhere below 37,500 leads to 36,900. हालांकि it went till 36,800 also, and anything about 37,500 will lead to 38,400. So right now we are at a crucial level of 37,370. Any resistance at 37,500 can be looked for shorts at, and you can have a stop loss around 50-100 points with targets of around 37,100 to 36,900. So very simple. Let's see what it did on intraday as well. Exactly around 36,800 900 के levels पे support लिया, and then we have seen an upward movement in Bank Nifty. It tried breaking 37,500, but I think नहीं हो कर पाया, and then it's taken resistance around 1 2 3 times out there and come down. So anything in the morning around 37,500, keep a stop loss of around 37,600 650 100 point का, for targets of around 37,100 to 36,900. And if it sustains above 37,500 for 15-20 minutes, half an hour, then we can see levels of around 37,800, 37,900, and anything above that can lead to 38,300, 400. So these are my levels on Nifty and Bank Nifty. It's generally become a range. Nifty 16,800 to 17,650. Bank Nifty maybe 36,900 to 38,400. But 36,900 to 37,500 is also a range, and above 37,500 range changes to 38,400. So levels to remember in Bank Nifty are 36,800 900, 37,500 and 38,400 के आसपास. So coming to a few stocks, I have discussed Tata Consumer since a lot of days. आज आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली थी अराउंड 690 पे, अगर आपने वॉच लिस्ट में रखा होता सो यू वुड हैव गॉन लॉन्ग एट अराउंड 680 का स्टॉप लॉस से अराउंड, देन यू कुड हैव ट्राइड एंड गेटिंग अराउंड अ गुड मूवमेंट. आज ही 715 तक गया, but I still saying that around 740 750 are good targets out here. Next is Britannia. Britannia also same, made a low of around 3400, 3360 3350 का मैंने stop loss दिया है, so it was a good long here and it closed at around 3480 90. So, and next one is Reliance. Reliance is in a no trade zone for me as of now. Anything near 2300 I would be a buyer, but right now I would just wait and watch as to where it's moving. But it is in my watch list because the swing high and swing low have been consistent over the last few months. So 2300 पे buy करने का, 2460 पे you can sell. And last stock is Tata Motors. Tata Motors has a good support at around 460 levels. So anything below 460 can lead to around 430, 440. But if you see any reversal from here, we can see levels of 500 and 540. So Tata Motors should be in your watch list and it looks good for long with a 10-15 point stop loss. So these are my view for Nifty and Bank Nifty and a few stocks which I wanted to discuss. Let's see how market moves. Every day is becoming very adventurous. And I personally feel that this is going to remain until Russia and Ukraine crisis are not over. So I'll see you again tomorrow with the same discussion, and hope you guys are keeping your stop losses and position sizing in check. See you tomorrow, guys. Thank you.